So let's talk a little bit about what zero trust is. It's a mindset, it's a philosophy. Only trusting a user or device after explicitly confirming their identity and status.
Hi, it's Alex Jarrett with Technology Executives Club, and you're watching another episode of CIOs Unleashed, where you'll get insights, inspiration, and strategies that actually work. Be sure and visit us at technologyexecutivesclub.com, where you can get your first masterclass workshop on demand worth $297 for free. That's technologyexecutivesclub.com.
There's a lot to unpack there, but essentially what that means is identifying the device, identifying the user, if any. There are a lot of headless devices in this environment, and then explicitly allowing them access to the applications they need. And so what does that mean in this context? What is an application? For a lot of this, an application is an industrial control protocol. We might have different industrial control protocols based on the manufacturers that we have chosen for our automation equipment. There's some least common denominator protocols that every device out there likely speaks. And so being able to not just allow this protocol, yes or no, but even getting more granular into that. Does this device or user need to be sending commands? Can it change values versus polling for data and then being able to use that data for other things? And we do this through a variety of methods. First and foremost, segmentation. If you don't have the ability to control your network, it doesn't matter how little you trust something, you can't do anything about it. And so what that does is it takes us from a strategy of implicit trust to explicit trust. And it requires multiple technologies to get there. Fortunately, there's a lot of standardization already out there. NIST has published an SP 800 standard zero trust architecture, specifically around how we can do this in all environments, not just OT environments. Forrester has several technologies related to how we can implement zero trust, as well as Gartner, of course. And so what we find is that it's best to have some initiatives to start implementing zero trust. Zero trust is, to use the cliche, is a journey. It takes a while to get there, and if you try to do it all at once, you're likely going to have either you're going to fail or you're going to have a lot of problems getting there that will reduce its effectiveness. And so it's a good idea to start with some projects. Maybe that's implementing different kinds of remote access, and we'll talk about who might need that access. Implementing network segmentation, implementing micro segmentation in between devices so we can control that east-west traffic. And so what we need to do is we need to verify the device, verify the user, if any, and verify that they are allowed to use the application that they're attempting to use. That goes along with least privilege or assigning minimal access. And then assume that each and every device has been compromised and monitor its behavior at all times.
Hi, it's Alex Jarrett, and thanks for watching another episode of CIOs Unleashed, brought to you by technologyexecutivesclub.com. If you like today's episode, be sure and comment to join the conversation, and like, share, and follow. And don't forget, visit us at technologyexecutivesclub.com, where you can get your first masterclass workshop on demand worth $297 for free. That's technologyexecutivesclub.com.